Alright, we're checking up on our bees to see how they're doing. Whoa, holy moly.
Expecting that.
Wasn't expecting that either. It's already got honey in it. Oh, that's crazy. Cool. Well, it looks like they're healthy. I believe the queen is alive. And they are all out of this box. Let me take that box out there. They all out of that box? Yep, just the dead ones. So we're gonna check to see if the queen's still alive, which she probably is, because they're all still in here. Yeah, they're building all that up already. Yep. And they're working fast.
Excellent.
Yes, very excellent. Yep, wow, that's all built up. This is what? A week. 8 days.
Doing good.
Yeah, I think the queen's right here. Oh yeah.
Look at them. Can you get a picture of that? How they all hold on to each other?
No. There's not enough light. Quit holding on.
Seeing if I can spot the queen.
But it's hard to take video with the glare on here. The queen's right in here, probably. Let me take this out. Yep, she's not in there, so that's good. I didn't eat her, kill her. I'll have you take that out of there.
I don't know if I'll be able to.
Yeah, you can. Gotta use my hammer. We're just trying to remove the box from that the queen came in. These bees are getting a bit pissed. Here. We're trying to look for the queen right now.
Probably pulled that out.
Yeah. We probably should, what, in about another 4 or 5 days, add another deep onto here.
Looking for brood, I'm not. It's all honey coming in there.
Yeah, I see. It's all honey. They're even capping some of it off already.
Some drones.
Alright, so we're putting more deep frames in. Okay. Look at this. Just awesome.
They're good enough so we don't need to.
Yeah. A lot of drones on there. Alright, wonderful. Yeah, we'll just leave that down there and they'll eat it. Alright, now we're going to start breaking into this hive right here. You got your hive tool? Hello. It's good.
Capped.
Jeez, it's capped honey already. Look at that.
Here, knock that off. We got another. You can put those in here.
I think this whole top here is finished honey.
And they haven't built out this side.
Yeah, this is over here still working. What about this one?
They're filling it. Some of it's capped on this side.
Yeah. Half capped over here.
Cool.
Yeah, it's real cool. We're gonna have a honey harvest before we
Thought we would.
yeah. People are gonna freak out at work. I was telling them July. Alright, I'm gonna take this one off and see how the bottom's doing. Oh. So this one's capped. And then this medium probably still got that brood in, I believe.
Probably. Maybe we should switch.
Yeah.
Put the white one in the middle.
Yeah, this is definitely brood.
Yep.
Whoa, look at that comb down there. Oh, that was the one that they built up and it fell. Have to get that out of there.
Oh yeah, they haven't even started.
Alright, so switch it.
Yeah. Is the comb still hanging?
It felt like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Looks like there's drone. It's drone.
So what do we do now? I mean, they're in here. Yeah, they're not even building this up yet. So now what are we gonna, so we just switch it?
Yeah.
Is that gonna work?
It's gonna have to work. You might have to knock that comb off.
damaged some.
It's drone. It's alright.
Move out of the way. You want me just to pop the drone, that drone comb down in there?
Yeah. Because the queen might be on it and I don't want to lose her.
Yeah.
And they'll recycle their comb.
Woo. Make them think it's the deep. Alright, they're getting real pissed. Back on.
Nope.
Oh,
white one.
shit.
So we just switched out the deep. The queen had been laying brood in this bottom medium that we had left on. So we switched out the medium and the deep, so the bees will start building out the white box, the deep, so she'll have more room to lay brood. And as you can see, there's lots of bees flying around. They don't like it when you get into their house.
Okay.